Today, let's talk about a product that has earned countless repurchases and rave reviews from buyers around the world: Whale Tail Lock. This lock was born from real customer needs. At that time, a customer asked if there was a wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant safety lock, so our engineers developed it specifically. And finally created this Whale Tail Lock that combines practicality and reliability. The application scenarios of Whale Tail Lock can be called versatile. It is suitable for toolboxes, canopies, truck bodies, caravans, and other equipment, and is also known in the industry as Pop Lock and Omega Latch. Whether it is mobile facilities of trucks and cars such as trailer connectors, canopy campers, or RVs and RV furniture, it can perfectly fit and firmly guard every space that needs to be locked. This product is available in mechanical and motor versions. Let's first talk about this mechanical version of the Whale Tail Lock, with its solid design, thoughtful details, and affordable price. The mechanical version of the Whale Tail Lock has become the first choice of many users. It is equipped with an anti-slip iron piece. By equipping an iron piece with anti-slip function, it increases the friction between the lock and the installation part, makes the lock more tight, and prevents loosening. There are two fixed styles to choose from here to meet different installation needs: threaded type and whole column type. The threaded lock body has its own thread structure, which can be fixed with nuts through threads, so that the installation is firm and not easy to shift. The whole column refers to a columnar structure with holes, which is fixed by screws passing through the holes, adapting to the needs of different installation scenarios. Next, let's talk about the installation process. Adjust the size before installation. First, adjust the size according to the actual thickness of the door panel. The Whale Tail Lock is suitable for door panels with a thickness of 1 to 7 millimeters. You can use supporting tools to accurately adjust the relevant parts of the lock to ensure that it perfectly fits the door panel. Door panel opening. Refer to detailed information to obtain the accurate size of the door panel opening. Use professional hole opening tools, such as electric drills and hole openers, to carefully open holes in the door panel according to the size requirements. During the hole opening process, pay attention to keeping stable to ensure that the edges of the holes are neat and smooth, so as to avoid burrs or damage, which will affect the installation and use effect of the lock. Install the lock, prepare the door panel with adjusted size and open holes, and carefully put the Whale Tail Lock into the open holes. Be careful to make each part of the lock accurately align with the holes on the door panel, then use appropriate screws to fix the lock on the door panel. In the process of tightening the screws, use tools such as screwdrivers or wrenches to ensure that the screws are tightened evenly, so as to avoid loosening or skewing of the lock. This lock is made of zinc alloy, which is lightweight yet sturdy. Those in the know understand that zinc alloy has excellent fluidity and offers ultra-stable molding. It can be installed on door panels with a thickness ranging from 1 to 7 millimeters, and its size can be adjusted according to the door panel thickness. Just follow the dimensions specified in the drawing for the hole opening, and even beginners can handle the installation easily. Inspection and debugging. After installation, use the key to test locking and unlocking. Check whether the function of the lock is normal and whether the locking is tight. If there is looseness or abnormality, adjust it in time. At the same time, check the fit between the lock and the door panel to ensure that there is no gap or shaking. If there is any abnormal situation, adjust and repair it in time until the lock can work normally and stably. Notes: if any abnormality is found during the test, do not operate forcibly. You need to check the cause and adjust until the lock can be locked and unlocked smoothly. A simple waterproof test can be carried out, such as spraying a small amount of water to observe whether it leaks. The main shaft can be replaced. The main shaft refers to the shaft-like component that plays a major transmission role in the lock. The existing one is a zinc alloy main shaft, and a custom machined stainless steel main shaft can be made. This refers to a stainless steel main shaft made by mechanical processing. Stainless steel has better corrosion resistance and strength, and it is not afraid of being soaked in seawater. In addition, this product is also added with a waterproof sheet, which refers to a sheet-like component with waterproof function. The design is stable and will not fall off, enhancing the waterproof performance of the lock. In terms of waterproofing, we have IP65 waterproof certification. The IP65 waterproof certificate is an international protection level certification system. IP65 means that the equipment is completely protected against foreign objects and can withstand low-pressure water spraying, no damage from water spraying in any direction. The lock has this certificate and related waterproof videos. In addition, the paint surface of the lock is specially used for outdoor use, which is anti-ultraviolet and anti-corrosion. The color will not turn white after 2 years of use, which is very important for locks that are often exposed outside. Is this lock safe? Let's get to know the Class C Snake's lock key. Class C is a high specification in the anti-theft level of locks. Its structure is more complex than that of Class A and B, and its ability to prevent technical opening is stronger. The snake slot design makes the slot shape on the key surface bend like a snake, which greatly increases the difficulty of matching the key with the lock core, and its anti-copying ability is 10 times stronger than that of ordinary keys. We can also support customizing different lock numbers, so that your key can open the lock next door, and you don't have to worry about one key opening multiple locks. In addition, this lock can also be used with a connecting rod, which has higher flexibility. If you still have concerns, you can additionally install your own safety lock on the lock. And the double protection makes you more assured. If you need electric control, the motor version of the electric tail lock will be a better choice, which is upgraded in terms of safety and convenience. Some products on the market use electric control valves, which are prone to problems and even fires. This one has a built-in motor, which is more reliable in terms of safety. Moreover, the motor is small in size, easy to install, and does not occupy too much box space, which is especially useful in places with limited space. This model can be customized with a remote control key for convenient use. The key also features a rebound function, automatically returning to its original position after use. We also offer personalized customization with laser-engraved exclusive logos to meet branding needs. In addition to the whale tail lock series, we also provide a wealth of RV-related accessories, including door locks, press locks, marine locks, rotating locks, compression locks, etc. You can log on to the official website for details. The official website also provides a full range of customized services, laser-printed logos, OEM processing, custom packaging boxes, custom cartons, and put forward your personalized needs.